All right, so here we're doing a two-way. Prior we had a three-way, so the two-way just sends the walls in 90-degree directions, right, from each other, basically.
Yep, and the two ways use the draw rod.
Okay, so this is slightly. Oh, it's the same concept as a three-way, right? You had to put this rod in, connect the two-way to the rod. So as you're tightening this up, you have to make sure this bottom hook is in place, right?
Yep.
All right. So essentially, as you
Get it? Yeah.
as you tighten this, the bottom hook has to be in place. Otherwise, it's going to snug it up against nothing.